Hello, this is Anshul from Programming Classes. This is the second video in this series, and in this video, we'll learn how to install Eclipse IDE for Java. Once JDK is installed, we will need to install our Eclipse IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. It helps us to code, compile, and execute our programs. It is basically an editor, and Eclipse is one such IDE, and it is most used IDE in terms of Java development. So let's see how we can install Eclipse IDE on our Windows operating system. In order to install it, let's search for Eclipse on our browser. Here we can see that the first search result is Eclipse downloads. Let's click on that. Now we see the different flavors of Eclipse IDE on this page, such as Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers, Eclipse IDE for Java developers, Eclipse IDE for C++ developers, etc. But right now, we are interested in developing Java applications, so we will download Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now once again, depending upon the system type of our OS, we have to download 32-bit or 64-bit versions. We have already discussed about system types, so we will proceed with downloading the required version. I have a 64-bit OS, so I will click on 64-bit. Now I am redirected to a mirror selection page. These mirrors gives us the location of different servers from where we can download the zip file. For me, I guess the nearest available server location is China. I can also select any other location, but it might reduce my download speed. So I will go with the default one and click the download button. This will start my download. Do note that this is a zip file and not an executable. So once the downloading is finished, we will see how we can configure Eclipse on our PC. Now let's wait till the download is complete. Now my downloading is complete, and we will need to extract the zip file to the C drive of our PC. To do that, right click on this Eclipse download and click on extract files. Now select the C drive and click on OK. Once the extraction is complete, I can see the Eclipse folder inside of my C drive. Now in order to open the Eclipse IDE, we can either double click on this icon, or we can send this icon to the desktop and we can execute it from there itself. Now if we open the Eclipse IDE for the first time, we might run into an error such as this. Here we can see that Java was started but returned exit code 13 and something such as this path c/program data/oracle/java/java path/java w.exe. So this seems to be an error associated with the path. So how do we resolve it? So in order to resolve this error, let's check if the Java path has been set correctly. So go to this PC, click on Properties, go to Advanced System Settings, go to Environment Variables and look for Path. Now double click on the path, and here we see that this particular path c/program data/oracle/java/java path. This particular path is creating the error. Let's delete this path. Now again, if we try to execute the Eclipse shortcut, we see that the Eclipse has started successfully. Whenever the Eclipse starts for the first time, it will ask for the location where all your project will be saved. This location is called workspace, and by default it will be c/user/ whatever your computer name /workspace. We can change it to any location, but I will leave this folder as default and click on OK. Now the Eclipse will load and we will be able to see the welcome message. Here we have completed the installation of Eclipse IDE.